Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm changing the cabin air filter on a 2016 Ford F-150. You need a new filter. This is the one I'm using. This is like half the price of the Ford one. This is just a aftermarket one. I'll leave a link in the description to this one and the Ford one if you want to do that. So order a new filter. The air filter is actually behind this glove box. So empty out your glove box. Get your manual out of here. We've got to drop this down and then remove this, and then we can get to the air filter. You just need to remove this little lever here. So just lift up the box a little bit, and okay, there's just two tabs that you push in from the outside here. Push those two tabs in like that. The box will fall down, and then the air box is up here, but we have to remove this top part here. So next we're just pull that up. Get a 7mm socket. I'm using an impact wrench, but just remove these. Remove those two 7mm sockets there. Okay, and then run your hand kind of underneath here like this. Kind of pull from the bottom like this. Just pull that out and just set it aside there. Okay, here's where your air filter is. There's just a tab on each side. We'll just loosen it. Door will pop down. Okay, if you see here, there's just tabs on here, so you basically just need to pull the tabs back to pop this off. Here's our old filter. I think super dusty, super dirty. You see there it says airflow is pointing down, so when you put the new one in, just make sure airflow arrows are going down. Check out the difference there. The bottom one's the dirty one, this white one's the clean one. Definitely needed to be done. I'd say every 10 to 15,000 miles you want to look at this. These are cheap too, so. Okay, new one's in, arrows pointing down. Just take our cover. Okay, there's a little tab right here. Just make sure that goes back in. Push it back in. Okay, now we have the filter back in. We just have to install everything in the reverse order. Okay, that's how you do the air filter, the cabin air filter. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks.